When you first open Blender, you will see the 3D viewport, timeline, properties, and outline. Also, there is a cube, camera, and light. Middle mouse button to rotate view. Shift and middle mouse button move the view. Control and middle mouse button zoom in and out. 1 on the numpad to view -Y face. 3 on the numpad to view X face. 7 on the numpad to view Z face. 0 on the numpad to view camera view. X is to delete an object. Shift and A to add an object. In this video, we will be modeling a mug. G to grab an object. G and X, you can move it on the X-axis, same with Z and Y. S to increase or decrease the size. This can be done on the X, Y, and Z axis. R to rotate the object. This can be done on the X, Y, and Z axis. Tab to go on to edit mode. This allows you to change the geometry of the object. You can change the geometry with vertex select, edge select, or face select. Alt to select all the vertex. F to fill the space. I to inset faces. E to extrude faces, vertex, or edges. Control and R to loop cut the object, which splits connected faces with one operation and reduces errors. Double G to slide loop cuts. S and X and 0 will flatten the curve. This can be done with other axes. Control and right-click will extrude after selecting faces. Select the faces where the extrude will join. Right-click, then click Loop Tools and then Bridge. Alt on the edge to select the whole edge, then G to adjust. Control 2 to subdivide. Subdivision cuts faces in half and creates a curved surface. Shift and Z to enter wireframe shading, or you can hold Z to enter different shading render, solid and material. Control and B to bevel the edge. This smooths out edges and corners. Alt and Shift selects multiple faces. Control Select will deselect the faces. Scrolling up or down will increase or decrease the bevel. Inset the face will help sharpen the edges. Right-click and select Shade Smooth. Change the render engine to Cycles and also use GPU. Cycles is better than Eevee and Workbench. Increase the power of the light. Select the object and add new material. Either select color or enter in a HEX. Roughness determines how rough the surface of a material appears. Shift and D will duplicate the object. N opens the sidebar where you can edit the object size and also rotation. G and double Z will zoom in and out when in camera view. This is how you create an infinite wall. This is where you change the size of the camera. Increasing the samples, the precision of the light calculations improves, resulting in a cleaner render but also increased render time.